Okay, this is one of my favorite USB-A charging banks. I like it so much I have two. I got it at Walmart, I think, for like 13 bucks. Although I don't think they sell these ones anymore. But very much liked it. Never got hot when I charged it. That's always a plus. I have old devices that still have this type of connection, so I thought I should get the battery banks for it while I can. Because I assume at some point they're not going to be as readily available. Oops. That's it. The only thing I'm not crazy about these things is they, you can tell if there's any juice by just squeezing them. But so this one's got no juice. Juice, no juice. That's it.